Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to this particular video. In this particular video, we are going to focus on attention towards the beauty industry. And within the beauty industry, what we are going to discuss with you today is whether the billion-dollar club is still a thing or is it a thing of the past. In the beauty industry, achieving a billion-dollar status or valuation mark has traditionally been the hallmark of success. However, evolving consumer behavior, economic challenges, and the shifts in the retail environment have made this goal increasingly complex to reach and to sustain. Previously, several high-profile beauty brands were on the brink of this significant milestone, mainly because of the robust brand loyalty and dynamic markets. The billion-dollar club was not just an aspiration, but a benchmark for the industry's success and an attractive prospect for the investors. Today, the landscape looks quite different. Industry experts suggest that the definition of the billion-dollar brand has shifted from strict sales figures to more of a valuation-based perspective. This reflects a brand's potential rather than its current financial status, loosening the once stringent criteria that defined the market leaders. A key factor in this change is the erosion of the brand loyalty. Modern consumers often spread their purchases across multiple brands rather than committing to just one, which disrupts the consistent revenue streams for the once dominant players. Additionally, economic downturns in key consumer markets, especially in Asia, and the rise of local brands have weakened the international grip of many established beauty giants. Industry analysts assert that the pathway to the billion-dollar status still does exist, but now it requires a much more measured and sustainable strategy. The quick ascent to the financial heights, often fueled by social media and strategic retail partnerships, now invites more of a scrutiny. The emphasis is changing towards long-term viability over explosive short-term gains. Moreover, the performance of the brand's post-acquisition has also led to increased caution amongst the investors and the strategists. Maintaining the initial allure and the innovation that once made the brand popular can be challenging as it grows, often diluting the brand's cool factor that had initially set it apart. Navigating the billion-dollar mark in today's beauty landscape demands not just financial acumen but also strategic foresight. Brands must adapt to a market where size and past success are no longer a guarantee of the future growth, focusing instead on remaining agile, innovative, and closely aligned with the evolving consumer desires and the market conditions. Now, this is what we wanted to share with you in this video. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Do stay tuned in for more. Thank you.